Desktop images are one of the purely fun parts of using your Mac. They show you a picture in the background of whatever work you're doing. You might save a picture from a web page, for example. Control-click, use image as desktop. That was in Safari. Trouble is, that picture wasn't exactly the same size as my desktop, and it's chopped off the astronaut's head. So go to the System Preferences and choose the Desktop and Screensaver preference. In here it'll show you a thumbnail of the picture that's on your desktop, and then various options for how to display it. For example, fit it to the screen. You can see when I do that it shows the whole photo but with a background behind it. Fill the screen, chopped off the astronaut's head again. Stretch it to fill the screen, that's good, that fills it, but we've got a short fat astronaut. Center it, yep, chopped off his head again. I think the best one was fit to screen, and I'll live with the blue bars around the edges. But if you decide you now don't want that photo and you want something else, you can use Apple's built-in images. For example, just the Apple images. There are various swooshy patterns and things like that. Pictures from nature, various bugs and flowers, and this one of the Earth floating in space. Assorted plants. I found a interesting kind of purple one there. Various black and white images if you prefer that kind of thing. Wavy pattern, for example. Abstract, these are highly colourful. Solid colours, these are the ones I prefer. You won't find that red on your control panel. It's one I created and put in there. Or pick something from your pictures folder. I've got this starry night here. Or you can get right into iPhoto and choose photos from any of your various iPhoto albums. Let's have a look at my last import, for example. Here's a whole bunch of pictures, and here's a nice one of Houghton Bay in Wellington, the dogs at the beach. There are things you can do with your images. I'm just going to go back up to the solid colours here and select that red that I created. Now you can elect to change the picture every so often. I'll set it to 5 seconds so that we can actually see it on this video here, and in a second you'll see it change from the lighter blue to the darker blue next to it, and then to the sort of the grey next to that. It's just working through them in sequence unless you choose a random order, and then it will just go randomly, obviously. There was quite a fuss when Apple introduced the translucent menu bar. If you like it, then the background image shows through, but turn it off and the menu bar will just be white all the time. I'm going to go back to the solid red that I like, and that's about it for desktop images. Have a bit of fun. See what you can do with yours.